In this session, I will give you an overview about grammar. It's very hard or it's not that easy to learn the whole grammar and practice it all together in one session, but we'll just go through the topics. What are we going to practice? What are we going to learn? Like, first, we will start with the nouns, of course, that's very basic. Noun is the name, place, thing. That is a definition that we learned. But one definition that I would like to give you is every living and non-living thing is actually noun. Yes, it is noun, and we will practice more about noun in future sessions. Okay, then comes the pronoun, something that takes the place of noun. Then there are verbs, there are adverbs, there are adjectives, then there are prepositions, there are conjunctions, articles, sentences, sentence structure, tenses, punctuation, questions and interrogatives, punctuation marks, all of that we will learn together. Yes. But before learning the grammar, we need to understand the basic mistakes that we make in grammar, right? And in basic mistakes, today I will tell you all the basic mistakes that people tend to make, or we generally tend to make, in English grammar. The first and foremost basic mistake that we make in English or while speaking in English is did plus second or third form, generally second form. Yes, so that is one thing that we have to remember, that did never ever takes second, third form. It always takes first form. There is no exception to that. That is fixed because did is already past. If did is the past form of do, then why do we need two or double past there? We just need one past. So did is always taking first form of the verb. You can never say I did went there. You can say I did go there. You can never say I did not ate the food. You can say I did not eat the food. Okay, so that is one thing that you have to remember. I listen to my students a lot, and this is one basic mistake that we make a lot of times while going in the flow. So how are you going to remove this mistake from your life forever? Of course, by practicing. Practice with sentences, form a lot of sentences using did plus first form. Whole day, repeat those sentences. Look around, what are the new sentences you can come up with did plus first form, remember. The second mistake that we make in grammar is there and there. Yes, they both are same, pronounced in the same manner, but their spellings are different. THERE and THEIR. They are used in different manner, but we get confused with it. We start writing there somewhere and there. THEIR, THERE. Interrelate both, and that is again a big mistake that we tend to make. So now, as you can see on your screen also, THERE is something that represents a place. That means I'm saying someone is standing there. That is a place I'm referring to. But when I say THEIR, that means I'm referring to person, ownership to the person. It is their book. That means this book belongs to them. It is their class. This class belongs to them. That is belonging to someone. So we are talking about ownership in one. So yes, we have to remember the spellings. How my teacher told me in school to remember it, like THEIR contains I. I means a person, me, right? I. So THEIR is related to person. I don't know if that makes sense with you, but that's how I learned it the whole while. So you can make your own original tips and tricks with grammar, Find your own ideas, find your own examples, and that's how remember things, learn things. And there are a lot of differences that we are not understanding, like affect and effect, or them or then. Then there are two then, THE and THA, and everything I will teach you. Okay, yes, there are such common grammatical errors that we tend to make, like punctuation marks, where to use question mark or where to use period, where to use comma. We have to understand that. We have to separately practice everything together. Okay, separately practice everything. Yes. Then there are tenses, like I want to use that I went there, that means I want to talk about past. But if I say I go there, that will be wrong. Went there is past, I go there is not past. it is simple present. And these are the things that we will understand by understanding the difference between other tenses, time zones. Then we make a huge blunder with has and have usage of has and have. So I will tell you where we use has and where we use have. So in next session I will tell you more grammatical errors and how do we work on that.